So I'm gonna show you how to record the iPad screen. It will be much easier if you have an iPad to do calculation. So first of all, you have to go to the settings and go to the control center, and you need to go to customize control. I have added screen recording, so in your menu you should have screen recording down here. So what you're going to do is you tap on the green plus button, and screen recording will be included on top in the control center. So after you do this, you're gonna go out from this, and when you bring the control center down, you will see that this button, which is currently red in color because I'm currently recording this screen. So then what you're gonna do is you press and hold, and you want to make sure that microphone is turned on, because I think the default setting is microphone is off. So you want to set this to on, and then you're going to tap screen recording. Then it will record in 3 seconds in the count of 3. So that is what you're going to do to record the screen. So if you want to do calculation, there are a few apps that you can use. Here I'm going to show one example, which I am using GoodNotes. So when I open GoodNotes, you have an option to create a new file, for example. So you can go back here and tap on new. So you want to choose quick note, the easiest, and here you can change the template of the page. So if you want a white paper and blank, you can choose it here, and then press apply. It will change to a blank white paper, and you can add the figure and use your Apple Pencil to write. So here in this case, you can choose multiple colors. Say this is black, okay, and you can also choose different thickness. So this is black with higher thickness, and if you tap, you can even change the thickness of this. So this you can use to do calculation and record the screen. And later when you press this red button on top, you will see a red button on top. If I press this, then this video will be ended. So you want to press that. When you press that button, the video will end, and this video will be saved in your photos, which can be found here. Okay, when you click on photos, I have recorded one video just now. So this is the video that has been recorded using iPad screen recording function. So I hope this is useful. Thank you.